Interest rates dipped and buyer showing activity rose 36.1% week over week. It's Friday, December 8th, 2023. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring you market updates every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. New contracts were also up week over week as inventory is rolling into the market. 497 homes are coming soon, fewer than last report. 1,611 homes hit the market over the past week, more than last week. 561 went under contract, 850 moved to pending. 1,445 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and under contract in 12 days, remaining consistent week over week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Owings Mills for $7 million. There are 2,556 rentals available, priced at $2,400 per month. This reflects fewer rentals, but the median price is holding steady. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 8th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.